I talk to your girlfriend every night.
Jeez,
Yeah, she calls me late night.
Take the next left onto Middlegate Road, then turn right onto East Suncrest Avenue.
It's powerful, man. Love that. I love seeing that.
Hello? Gate code, please.
I settle down. I know these clowns are watching me constantly every time I see their face. As I start the race, as I remind my mind and get back in time.
All right, see you in a second.
I tell myself, I look in the mirror and say, I gotta do this for Delph, you know. Straight up, here we go, 1, 2, 3. Best believe in me, because that's all I can see every day. I'm in the hallway, I got to get up, I gotta get dressed up, I gotta put on my tie, do or die, cause I'm that type of guy. I stay high.
Puppy.
I'm in the dispensary, what can they do to get more money from me? The state can't wait.
Any leaks anywhere?
Not that I'm aware of. You know, it's more like you said, we've been here since 2006, so it's just old. We did have it though, but we did have it recently. The person that did it last time, I'm not sure. He wasn't. I don't know how good a job.
Hey, be nice. I'm gonna leave you to talk about me too. He was in here.
Because he wasn't. You know, I don't think he was kind of a handyman.
Sure.
You know?
He didn't specialize in it.
Yeah, exactly. This is my husband.
Hey.
This is Mike.
It's a nice to meet you, man. Thank you. All right, we got some work to do. So what I would do, simply just scrape this out, and what I would do instead of caulk it is put grout, and then put sealer over the grout.
Okay. So you would still do the same thing, because I know you said, I wasn't sure with this kind of material if it would be the same.
Because when I look, solid surface, there's nothing penetrating that. The only issue is where these joints are.
Okay.
So instead of just recalking it, it looks pretty for maybe 6 months, why don't we just put the grout in, grout the corners, seal it, and then just be done with it.
Okay, yeah, I'm fine with that. You know, whatever you think is best.
And when would you like to get this done?
When can you do it?
What's your time frame?
I mean, I've got time today if you want to do
All
it.
right. To scrape this, I first have to clean the shower, scrape it, grout it, and then seal it.
Okay.
So it'd be like $350 to do that.
Okay. That sure, yeah.
Do you mind if I get started?
No, go ahead.
Perform a shower restoration. Customer complained about these areas here that were dark from just over time.
My life without you, babe. My life without you, babe. My life without you, babe. Come on, do it for me. My life without you, babe. My life without you, babe. My life without you, babe.
This is a grout shower repair. So I'm going to show you right here. Process. I have my white grout premix. As you see there, simply supply it in, grout it up.
Now I know all about real love, there's no doubt.
step in? Can you step in on your, yep. Look around.
Let me have Mike look at it.
Please, please. Come on in. Take a look around, you can step on in. And then take a look back under. I even got under here, grouted that.
Yeah.
So I was telling your wife, I'm going to put acrylic on top of it.